Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, let's see what is Byju's BHLP. BHLP is nothing but Byju's home learning program. These are nothing but the just live classes to learn directly from home. What is the course duration for IAS? It will be from around 8 to 12 months. In 8 months, you'll be completing almost all the subjects, and then there will be a revision and crash course kind of thing for prelims. And what exactly happens here? There will be online classes on Zoom app for which you will be receiving links every day. So what will be the timings of the classes? For the morning class, morning batch, you will be having the timings for around 3 hours, that is 6 a.m. to 9 a.m. and evening batch 5:30 p.m. to 8:30 p.m. And those who are working professionals or who are working in the corporate offices, they can access in the weekend, and the weekend timings are in Saturday 2 to 8 p.m. and on Sunday 10 a.m. to 8 p.m. How to access the course? You will have to register for the BHLP course with your counselor or mentorship. They'll assist you for that. And then you will be receiving the class links through email every day for all the three batches. You can choose anything depending on your convenience, but you'll be receiving the links for all the three batches for the morning, evening, and also the weekend classes. And what is the difference between this tablet course and BHLP? The tablet lectures are recorded lectures, and the live classes are obviously live, so the information will be updated and current affairs will be linked to a larger extent. And who teaches this BHLP classes? The same teachers, almost all the faculty in the tablet lectures when you see in that, they'll be teaching here, except one or two if they are too busy or something. Almost same faculty in the tab will be teaching in the BHLP. And what is the advantage of BHLP, and what is the difference between the tab? The tab recorded lectures will be there in the tab, and in BHLP the doubts can be clarified live then and there in the Q&A session, and if the in some cases the faculty directly will answer, or else the subject experts will answer rather than calling mentorship some other time. And each subject and topic can be learned 3 times in this BHLP, because in the morning session, in the evening session, and also in the weekend session, if you are free enough to attend all the classes, the topics can be learned 3 times. And this is a sample timetable. I'll also be showing the clear picture of this. Yeah, this is the link of the class. You'll be receiving a link like this. I have received this for November 5th evening class. You can see here, and this is the timetable link, and these are all module 1, 2, 3, and 4. These are nothing but the background slides which they explain. We can also download this and revise. And this is the year-long timetable. If we click here, we can see the year-long timetable. Yeah, this is the year-long timetable for this is for morning batch. From April 2020, the timetable is given. So this is polity in April. In May, you will be learning economics. In June, modern history, geography, and then environment and ecology, world history, international relations. And every month, some topic will be covered. First, the core subjects will be covered: polity, economics, modern history, and geography. And then there will be revision, and then there will be CSAT. So that's the morning session, and this is the evening session. You'll be having geography, modern history, economics, and polity. Then in the weekend batch, you'll be having modern history. This varies from batch to batch. This is of April batch 1. So this is the timetable for them. I belong to that batch, so I have shown this. So this is the timetable, and that's the process of which you can register. Just go and contact your counselor so that you can directly access this, and you'll be receiving the mail for the classes. You can learn directly live from home and clarify the doubts then and there itself. So I have also joined this. I'll be posting the review as soon as possible after a few days, because I will have also to experience, I should also experience this for a few time, and then I'll be posting the review about this. So thank you for watching. Like this video, share, and also subscribe this channel World with V, and please suggest some topics to be taught, and suggest the topics which you want to learn from me. Thank you.